One of the more valuable reports for an energy manager is a benchmarking report. Your time and resources are limited, and you probably want to focus your efforts on just a few buildings in your portfolio. The benchmarking report will identify which buildings are in most need of your energy management efforts. One of the most common benchmarking measures is dollars per square feet. In this tutorial, we will compare dollars per square feet for several buildings in a portfolio. The buildings with the highest dollars per square feet will likely be the buildings that you want to focus your energy management resources on. Before we create a benchmarking report, we first need to load our project data into Report Maker. Click on the Load Data icon and select the Roman Provinces project. We can now create a report. Click on the Create Reports icon. In the Report Selector page, choose Benchmark Compare Sites from the drop-down list, and double-click on Benchmarking Report. In the Report Parameters box for the benchmarking report, choose to show the actual scenario. Let's report by area. Under Bill Assignment, choose to use bill cutoff dates, and report bills from January 1st, 2001 through December 31st, 2002. So we have 2 years worth of bill data in our report. Click OK. The next dialog box allows you to choose what items, areas in this example, that we want to include in our report. We are going to include all of the areas in our report. Select all of the sites by clicking on the Select All Items button under Sites, and do the same with areas. Click OK. The next dialog box allows you to choose how to rank the items in the report and select what unit to report by. For this benchmarking report, let's choose to rank areas from highest to lowest by dollars per square feet. After clicking OK, Metrics Report Maker will create our benchmarking report, which will include both a chart and a table. To view our report, click on the View Reports icon in the front page. We are next taken to the Reports workbook. Select the benchmarking report we just created. The table for the report displays dollars per square feet for the areas which we chose to include in the report. The dates for the report are also displayed. Now let's examine the chart for the report. Click on the Chart 1 tab at the bottom of the spreadsheet. We are able to see from our chart that Germania and Belgica are performing the worst out of all the areas included in our report. These two areas use the most dollars per square foot and are in most need of our energy management resources. We reported by dollars per square foot so we could compare cost for areas against each other. If dollars had been reported, larger areas would most likely spend the most money. However, this would not be a good indication of how areas compared with each other. By dividing cost by square feet, we normalize cost so our comparison of different areas is meaningful. In this tutorial, we created a benchmarking report showing dollars per square feet for the areas in our Roman Provinces project. From our report, we were able to determine which areas are in most need of our energy management efforts.